In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see your Spotify Wrapped 2024. This is a fun way to reflect on how your tastes evolve throughout the year, celebrate your favorite artists, and even discover new patterns in your listening behavior. To see your Spotify Wrapped, simply open up Spotify. A display prompt of the Spotify Wrapped can either show up right here or simply tap onto this option of Wrapped. You will see most listened songs, most listened to artists, and among others. The fun part is that you can share your Wrapped across other socials such as Instagram Stories, Snapchat, and among others, fostering a sense of community as people share their Wrapped stats, sparking conversations and connections over shared musical interests. Well, that's how easy it is to see your Spotify Wrapped. Share with me your most listened to artists in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.